with another video with another unboxing from one of the sellers I use on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. So it did arrive with DHL Express. It took about 3 days to get here. So I already cut it open to make it easier. So open it up. And there's 2 things that I got. And we'll start with this one. So it comes in a plastic bag. And it comes in a drawstring bag, which I prefer these than the other ones. But here is the writing, and it's kind of like a dark blue. It's hard to tell on the camera, but it's a dark blue color on the writing. So this is the Alma BB and the Damier Bien print. So right off the bat, I saw it smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason I thought it would be a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and take all the stuff. So take off the wrapping. The handle looks good. It has a little bit of wrinkling in the handle, if you can tell. A little bit, not bad. And then the other handle. Look at the glazing. And has some tape on the zippers. The hardware has the LV. The zipper seems smooth. They could have stuffed this a little bit better. Kind of lost its shape. Here's the strap and the keys and the lock, silicone things. Okay, so the inside, the red interior, the little pocket, and the date code is in that pocket. I'll have shots of these and pictures and stuff. But the date code is in this pocket right here. If you can see that right there. But I'll try to get a picture of that and put it in there. But yeah, there's the inside. Let's see if I can pop it out a little bit. Buttons, say Louis Vuitton, you can tell. Hardware, and Louis Vuitton is pretty clear. So 2 on the side and 2 on this side, and the stitching around the base is good, and Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And here is the other side. bottom has tape on its feet. It does off. Okay. So the feet have Louis Vuitton stamped on them. Stitching is very good. Yeah. Everything looks really, really good. I would have to check and make sure to see if the hardware is the shiny hardware on the zippers. I'll post some pictures of Authentics to compare them to. And here's the two clips where you put the straps on. So let's look at the strap. Of course, it comes with this, which doesn't matter if it has it or not. Here is the key fob. It has Louis Vuitton printed on that. Louis Vuitton Paris. And the glazing looks really good. The lock and the keys. And in the back. So let's see if the key fits. Yep, works really good. Yep. There is a key, there's a strap. So it looks like it's all one piece. And it's a skinny strap. Let's take the tape off. So on the hardware, it has LV on there. And I think it's a little gold. It's kind of hard to tell. But and the glazing looks really good. Strap looks good. Let's hook it to the purse. So this is strapped on. So yeah. So like I said, it's kind of smaller than I imagined. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's a good size. You don't want to carry a big purse. So yeah. I'll leave all the information on the seller below. But I am pleased with this bag. And I'll have pictures at the end of this bag, for this bag.